Money. Multiplying money, pounds and pence by numbers. We often need to multiply amounts of money. A bottle of milk costs £2. How much does it cost to buy 5 bottles? Multiplying money is the same as multiplying numbers, just don't forget the units. We can multiply the pounds. 5 times £2 equals £10. Don't forget the units. We could also multiply the pence. £2 is the same as 200 pence. 5 times 200 pence is 1000 pence. Don't forget the units. We could also convert that to pounds. We add the decimal 2 from the right and the pound sign, £10. We could use chunking. 8 times £2.48. Break down £2.48 into £2, 40 and 8. Now multiply by 8. £2 times 8 is the same as 8 times 2, which is 16. So 8 times £2 is £16. Now 8 times 40 pence, the same as 8 times 40, which is 320. So 320 pence, which is the same as £3.20. Now move to the 8 pence. 8 times 8 pence is the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. Add the pence. Now we need to add them all together. Don't forget to include the right units. If we add them together, we include the decimal 2 columns from the right for the pence and the pound sign. Let's add in the £16, then the £3.20 and finally the 64 pence. Add from the right 4, 2 add 6 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 plus 0 is 1. So 8 times £2.48 is £19.84. Don't forget the units. We can also use short multiplication. £5.35 times 5. Let's put it into our columns. Include the decimal 2 columns from the right and the pound sign. Then start multiplying. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and carry 2 forward. 3 times 5 is 15. Add the 2 carried forward is 17. Carry the 1 forward. 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 1 carried forward is 26. So £5.35 times 5 is £26.75. Don't forget the units. We can use the same method for bigger numbers. £87 times 7. Let's put it into our columns. Include the decimal 2 columns from the right and the pound sign. Start by multiplying 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 7 is 49, 9 and carry the 4 forwards, 7 eighths of 56, plus the 4 carried forwards is 60. So £87 multiplied by 7 is £609. Don't forget the units. Remember, multiplying money is the same as multiplying numbers. Just remember to add the units at the end. We can use chunking, breaking the money into pounds and pence. We can use short multiplication by including the decimal 2 columns from the right for pence and the pound sign.